Anytime you can work with someone and they trust you to take their brand and their vision and run with it, it's so rewarding as a storyteller. My role working on this project was to oversee all of it on Metro's side. And that was making sure every team member had what they needed to be successful in their role. Also, my role was to make sure that Airbus was represented in the appropriate way all the way through from script to screen.
It's really about creating something for Airbus that gives them a video that shows their brand.
As a company, they're much more than just an airplane manufacturer or aircraft manufacturer. They do so much in aerospace and defense.
Walking into Airbus and seeing the Experience Center was pretty cool.
When we went up there for the first time, I didn't know what to expect. It's this really sleek looking lobby, and there's these metal doors.
On the doors it says, "We make it fly."
These metal doors open up, and you come to this giant screen.
It's 6 1080 screens wide by 2 tall, so it's different full screen projectors mapped together.
It was like seeing a giant blank canvas.
And so, we were kind of like, can we make it like this full screen thing? Because it's so cool.
Going up to the Experience Center was really, I think, vital for all of us to go and actually see the space, hear the space.
Working with Airbus was great because they gave our team creative freedom. They truly allowed us to be their voice.
We realized that motion design was going to be the biggest part of this.
We wanted this atmospheric feel at the beginning. We wanted to start really quiet and draw the audience in.
First thing I thought of was you're coming through clouds like you're taking off on an airplane, and then the Airbus logo is in the sky.
And then we wanted to take a turn and bring in the energy.
With my process, I like to start with music, and I think, music can really drive an animation. With Airbus, it seemed to be a lot about some of the manufacturing. I tried to use a lot of little mechanical sounds and some airplane sounds, ratchet sounds, and then other kind of industrial sounds.
I wanted to show the hard work, the craftsmanship that Airbus has, because they're such a global brand. They do so much. And I wanted to touch on all areas of what they can do.
Whenever there was a chance to do anything full screen in 3D, I wanted to jump at it. And so there's a shot where they talk about satellites that they've used for the European Space Station and DirecTV, and we actually had those models. Seeing that for the first time in the Experience Center was really what you always hope for. As a creative person, as a filmmaker, you're given a venue that's not someone's phone or someone's computer screen to show what you've made. And that's a really great feeling. That doesn't ever get old, I think.
Where we excel is that, we all, as a team, we're very open with each other, and it's always a lot of fun when you can work with people and genuinely enjoy the collaboration.
It was very unique. It was not a normal thing that Metro had done.
It's like, wow. We created this. We came together as a team, and our work is being seen by decision makers in Washington, D.C., by CEOs of airline companies, and everyday people.
This video sets the mood for whoever walks in there and goes through that Experience Center.
You can't ask for anything better than that, to see it on that scale, and to see the client look up at it and be happy with the end result. It's amazing. It's great to be part of something like that.